What's going on, guys? It's been a couple rough days, guys, and I'll explain why. As you can see, I have a new addition to the kitchen family, guys, and that's the source of why this has been a couple rough days, because I obviously have to retire my blender, guys. So I went ahead and got a Ninja. You see, guys? So join me today as I unbox this. Okay? So stay tuned. All right, guys, and here she is. Yes, I have to explain to my blender that's been with me through all my juice videos, for all the juices that I've made, all my smoothies, all my drinks, guys. Yes, I have to explain to her that she is going on retirement, and in the video, in this video, guys, I'll show you why she's going on retirement. So I'm telling her that she's not being replaced. She's still gonna be in the kitchen, but she will not be the active employee. Okay? So yes, so I have to keep my blender close by so she doesn't get jealous. Okay, guys? So again, let's get into the unboxing of the Ninja. Let's take our tape off. Alright, so here we have the manual instructions. I don't do well with that. I try to put it together, and then when I run into a road bump, that's when I'll go ahead and look to see where I've missed a step. Well, hopefully this will be an easy task, guys. It shouldn't be complicated. So here we have the Ninja, the jar itself. Alright, that's attached like so. So nice and big, huh? Where is, I'm gonna go ahead and compare them. See? Oh, the blender was 1,500 milliliter, and the Ninja is 1,200 watts. So, all right. So let me put this right here. I think this is the cover, yeah. Alright, guys, so here we have the cover, and the instruction says press, release, and lift handle up. Oh, so the release button right here, and then align arrows on lid and jar handle, and then lower handle and click into place. Okay, to cover it. So we're going to test it out in a minute. What else is in here? Oh, the power part, the motor, guys. All right, so here is the bottom. Nice and heavy, got a little weight to it. So we have This is the Auto IQ Total Crushing Power. You can do smoothie. It crushes ice. You have low, medium, high, and pulse. All right, so there's a bottom. So stay tuned, guys, as I try to assemble this. It shouldn't be hard, so I'll be right back. Go ahead and attach this to the base, and it's showing you here. Let me come over and show you how you put it on and lock it in place. So it has the arrows. See, it has the arrows how you lock it in place. So let's try it out. So here we go. And then it's not gonna work that way. 1 second, guys. Do it this way. So you put it like so. Oops, hold on. Technical difficulties. So you have it on like that, and then you turn it to lock it in place. You hear the click. Okay, so it's on there nice and good. Okay, sturdy. All right, and then we have the inside, which is the blade, the start blade. So you go ahead and just drop it in there, I think. Yeah. All right, so let's see about the cover. For the cover, it says align arrows on pitcher, lid, and handle. Then lower handle to lock in place. So there's an arrow right here on the handle. Yes, guys. And then there's an arrow right here on the lid. So you're gonna put it, you're gonna align it up together in place. Then you're gonna lock it. And it's on there, nice and sturdy. All right, guys, so there it is. I did it. Stay tuned, guys. I'll be making a juice video, so don't go anywhere. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wash out my Ninja blender. You know, we keep it clean, guys. We wash our fruits, we wash our veggies. Everything nice and clean. Wash our lid. Alright, that's done. Guys, now that we have the insulation covered, this is the juice I'm making today. I'm making pineapple, mango, and strawberry juice. Alright, guys, pineapple, mango, strawberry juice. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, so I have my fruits all washed and chopped up. I have my mangoes, I have strawberries, and my pineapples. Alright, guys, the mangoes are a little green, so still sweet but green. And then the pineapple, let me see if I can find a small piece. Still sweet. Pineapple. Very sweet, guys. And then trying to find a small strawberry, because you know Dorrie always testing her fruits. Oh, sweet, guys. So I will go ahead and load the Ninja. But at the start of the video, guys, remember I told you that there was something wrong with the blender, so I'm going to show you the defect. Okay. All right, so I'm going to put most of my ingredients in here, and I'm going to save some for the blender so I can let you see what's going on with it, why she is in retirement right now. All right, so I'm adding mangoes. There we go, and I'm leaving back some for the blender. All right, now time for pineapples. Got a lot of pineapple. I think that's enough. We have pineapple left over we can munch on, guys. Alright, so this I will use for the blender. So don't go anywhere, guys, stay tuned. So I have my blender all ready to go. So I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to show you what's going on. Time to push that button. Okay, so this is what's going on with the blender. You see, it is coming through the bottom and then spilling on the countertop as well. See, so that's why I had her replaced. That's what it's doing. All right, so now I will go ahead and finish up using the Ninja blender, guys. All right, so here is the Ninja blender. It's ready. Let me go ahead and push the start button. And we're gonna do medium. All right, let's try it on high. Has a smoothie button, as I mentioned earlier when I was unboxing and showing you the Ninja. So let's go ahead and try the smoothie button. Pour into my bottle, and we are not straining. Look how nice that is, guys. Ooh. So here we have one bottle, and I still have this, guys. I'm gonna toss it in to the Ninja and finish it up in there. So it's looking like we're getting 2 bottles today. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so the second batch is done. I will go ahead and pour it in the other bottle that I have. But first of all, what I'm gonna do, again, we wanna make Blender feel that she's still useful in the kitchen. So I'm gonna pour it into her and then transfer it to my bottle. So here goes. One blender, guys, equals 1 bottle. So the Ninja is, and you can look at the size, you can see it's bigger than the blender. So this, I don't know why I poured it in here. I'm going to pour in a glass so I can have for myself, guys. So this much, I'll go ahead and do my taste test. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so you've made it to the end of another video with your girl Dorrie. All right, she said nature in a glass, guys. Yes. So before I go, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and taste the product. All right, so here it goes. Cheers. Very good. Yes, guys, so another thing that I do is tell you the benefits, why this blend is good for you, the health benefits, guys. And today we use mangoes, pineapples, and strawberries. Blending these 3 together, guys, they are rich in vitamin C and antioxidant. They support digestion. It's good for your heart and for blood circulation. It boosts your energy naturally, guys. And it gives you nice skin and a good natural glow. Also, the anti-inflammatory effects that it has, guys, is a plus. And lastly, it is good for hydration and detox. Guys, I'm gonna take a sip for you. Here goes. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, blessings, big up, manners, and respect to all my lovely viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back. Guys, remember to like, to share, and to comment. Dorrie Vlogs 29. Hit that post notification bell so you will know every time I do online here. Peace.